Hey YouTube, today is Sunday, the 24th day of March 2019. It's about 10:30 in the morning and I'm out here to test my Evo. I just fired it up for the very first time since I crashed it at this same park in that mud. If you saw that video, I've cleaned it all up as best I can. I've exchanged all 4 props, taken off the old ones, put on brand spanking new ones unused, and just taken it off. And it's actually flying. I just did some basic tests, but here, I'll do them again. Just go off to the side a little bit. Go off to the other side. Okay. Come back over. Then I take it up a little bit. And then show you I'm down here. Bring her down. Alright, so what I want to do is turn it out this way, raise it up a little bit. Now let's just do just a general little flight on it here. Okay, it's definitely being responsive. I can tell you that. Yeah, definitely being responsive. Okay, so that's good. All right, let's just try just a couple of smart shots, and then I think I'll call it good. Let's see. Get it raised up in the air here somewhat. Let's go to dynamic track. Draw a square around me. All right. Let's see if she follows me. Just good basic little test here, just to make sure everything's working. And she's definitely following me. So this is good news. I was really afraid I messed up the gimbal and afraid I messed up the motors. But it looks like I may have gotten by with it, so that part's good. Let's see if she keeps following me here. It is going to the side good. Okay. So we'll definitely call that a success. Okay. We'll go ahead and stop that. I'm going to put it on parallel. And now let's see if it'll follow me. Well, I didn't draw anything around me, so yeah, draw the circle around me. There we go. Oops. Sit start. That'll probably work better. Alright, just to test it out for parallel. As you can see, it's working well. Let me just turn around. Okay. Fantastic. All right, let's stop that. All right, let's see. Should I try anything else? Well, I'll tell you what. Here, we'll do the viewpoint. So let me turn it around. Just take the camera up. All right, there we go. Go ahead and turn it. Turn it some more. I'll just keep turning it. Until we can get it back here. All right, here we go. Cool. All right, so I'd say the Evo is doing okay. All right, so hopefully you've enjoyed this part, and Glad to see that it's back, and hope you're as happy for me as I am. So I'm going to set her down, and then we'll do some other things.